I am sure you've already watched part 1 of our guide to intermittent fasting. That's why you're here, right? Well, prepare yourself and make sure to watch the video all the way through so you shouldn't miss part 2 of your intermittent fasting journey because there are more things you should know about it. Welcome to Health Fruition, the #1 channel to help you in your health and wellness journey. In this video, we'll talk about the frequently asked questions, ways to start, and how to get started with intermittent fasting. Are you ready for fasting? Let's get started. Before anything else, let's have a quick snap of what's intermittent fasting all about. A cycle between eating and fasting occurs when someone practices intermittent fasting. It is a great approach to getting healthier overall and losing weight. You only eat during intermittent fasting at specific times. By fasting for a predetermined amount of time each day or eating only one meal per day, you can lose weight. Scientific study also points to a number of health advantages. To know more about it, here are the frequently asked questions about intermittent fasting. Number 1, is there a right way to fast? Intermittent fasting is popular now because it concentrates more on when you eat than what you eat. We all have different time preferences and patterns when we eat, and there is no proper way to fast. Depending on our preferences and way of life, people opt for various preferences. Number 2, can I eat anything during non-fasting days? No foods are off limits for intermittent fasters, just like with any successful diet plan. But regardless of whether you're attempting to lose weight, it's always advised to consume more fruits and vegetables and less processed food. Your immune system will remain healthy if you consume more nutrient and vitamin-rich plant-based meals. Additionally, it lowers your risk of developing chronic inflammation, which is linked to conditions including diabetes, heart disease, liver disease, and several cancers. Number 3, what are the general benefits of intermittent fasting? When people fast, the body switches from using glucose as an energy source to using ketones. Metabolic switching is the combination of this mechanism and exercise. Theoretically, it can alter your body by removing unhealthy cells and replacing them with newer, healthier ones, enabling you to reduce weight and enjoy long-lasting health benefits like improved sleep, improved digestion, improved insulin sensitivity, reduced inflammation, strengthened immune system, increased energy, and decreased blood pressure. Remember that some people only benefit from 1 or 2 of these health benefits. If not any of all, you might need to eat more frequently than someone else because everyone's metabolism works differently. Number 4, is intermittent fasting sustainable? The adaptability of intermittent fasting patterns enables long-term commitment than with other diets. Long-term fasting is totally safe as long as you maintain good physical and mental health and are eating a balanced diet, getting enough sleep, and exercising to be in good health. Peer-reviewed studies and long-term research on fasting are limited. Studies have revealed that the 5-to-2 ratio diet frequently produces temporary weight loss because people find it difficult to maintain it over the long run. And number 5, who should not try intermittent fasting? Although it can be adapted to each lifestyle, intermittent fasting is not safe for some individuals, including anyone who is under 18. They still have a developing metabolism and hunger cues. People with a history of eating disorders or those who are prone to restrictive eating habits. Fasting can cause or make eating or food-related anxiety, binge eating, starvation, or exercise food restriction worse. Those who must take their medications at specified times with food. Those who are breastfeeding or pregnant. Low blood sugar can result from fasting. Additionally, a newborn needs enough calories, not fewer, to develop. Someone who gets agitated, shaky, or anxious after a particular period of time without eating, and people who are prone to constipation. After answering the FAQs about intermittent fasting, let's talk about the ways how to start it. Here are the ways to do intermittent fasting. First, 5-to-2 ratio diet. If you follow this approach for 5 days a week, you take in between 500 and 600 calories throughout the course of the final 2 days, which are usually not consecutive. Choose high-fiber, low-carb foods like vegetables, grilled or steamed fish, boiled eggs, natural yogurt, low-calorie soups, and black coffee or tea these days. Those who respond best to being required to abide by the rules for only these 2 days usually benefit from this approach. Second, alternate day fasting. This diet is a variation of the 5-to-2 ratio diet. This alternates every other day between a feast day and a fast day. On fast days, you consume 600 calories or fewer, similar to the 5-to-2 ratio diet. Third, circadian fasting. Your eating schedule will be in sync with your hormone cycles. Thanks to this pattern, sleep, digestion, hormones, and stress levels are all regulated by our circadian rhythm, the body's natural 24-hour clock. Plan your meals during the morning when you're most likely to have more energy. When the sun sets, you become less energetic and your digestion becomes slower. Fourth, the warrior diet. This is one of the first well-known diets to feature a type of intermittent fasting. It entails eating one large meal at night and small portions of raw fruits and vegetables during the day. And fifth, 16-to-8 ratio diet. The ideal people for this time-limited approach are those who enjoy routine. You decide on an 8-hour eating window every day, eating the majority of your calories at midday. This approach, when coupled with consistent practice, has been proven to decrease body weight and fat mass, and may be simpler to maintain than more restrictive practices. With these ways of patterns of diet, the question is, how to get started with intermittent fasting? Well, these are the tips on how you get started with it. First, start slow. Second, eat your breakfast as late as you can. Third, drink a lot of water. Fourth, find something that fits your schedule. Fifth, don't compare yourself to others. Sixth, answer the question, why should you do it? What's your goal? And finally, embrace doing it and be fit and healthy. Bottom line, some people, but not all, find success with intermittent fasting as a weight loss method. If you choose to experiment with intermittent fasting, keep in mind that, as with any eating plan, diet quality is essential. Eat a range of nutrient-dense whole meals within your eating window and avoid eating too many ultra-processed foods to get the maximum benefits from it. Also, make sure to consult with a professional healthcare practitioner to ensure that starting an intermittent fast is safe for you to undertake. So what do you think of intermittent fasting? Do you think you can do it? Well, let us know in the comment section below. What about sharing your experiences with your fitness journey on fasting? We'd love to hear from you. Also, feel free to check out our other videos and comment your video suggestions down below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button to get notified of new posts. Remember to take care of your health, and good luck on your fitness journey. See you next time!